In Menaggio we take the boat on Lake Como in Italy to Bellagio. What's up guys, today we take the boat in Menaggio and we sail to Bellagio on Lake Como in Italy. Menaggio and Bellagio are two amazing towns on the border of the lake. On this tour you have outstanding views of the lake and the surroundings during the whole trajectory from Menaggio, passing by Varenna and then sailing to Bellagio. Is this journey really worth it? Let's find it out in this video. We are here at the pier in Menaggio waiting for our boat. In Italian the landing place for boats is called IMBARCADERO. The ticket shop is right at the pier. We bought a round trip, andata e ritorno. Tickets are €9 for adults and children from 13 years. Kids younger pay €5.20. Waiting here can be a challenge as there are no trees to shelter for the sun. So it would be good to have a hat or cap with you. The boat we're gonna sail on looks very nice and large with several floors. This means a lot of space and possibility to run around, so we get nice views of the lake, the surroundings and the mountains. From the top floor we have a great view of Menaggio Town, with the mountains behind the houses, a nice sight in all directions, and from here we can also see other boats approaching. Menaggio has a wonderful promenade, a cozy old town with nice restaurants, cafes, ice cream shops and specialities from the region. We have a video about our walking tour here, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. We will enjoy the beautiful sight of Menaggio that will slowly fade away in a far distance. But don't mind, in a few moments we will have nice views of another attractive town called Varenna. It's convenient on this boat as you can freely walk around. It has 3 floors for the public with sheltered places. If you are afraid of the sunlight burning your skin, you can go to the first or even the second floor. There is also a compartment where you can order foods and drinks. You can relax and wait while the boat brings you to your next destination. I enjoyed the views on the upper floor. The sun was strong that day, but the wind made it bearable. We are now approaching Varenna and we can see already that it looks amazing. The houses here have nice colors, which you will see in a minute. It's a picturesque village and it is loved by many tourists thanks to its narrow streets, colorful houses and a romantic feeling when you walk on the Passeggiata degli Innamorati, roughly translated the Lover's Walk. Look how many people are waiting for their boat at the quay. Shielding from the sun has been built near to the embarcadero of the boats. Some people are going off the boat, while others are joining us on our way to Bellagio. As the boat continues its way to Bellagio, we will pass alongside the village of Varenna. People are eager to make the best shot of this charming village. In another video we will walk on the Passeggiata dell'Amore, so you have a better view of this beautiful place on the bank of Lago di Como. We are now past halfway the trajectory to Bellagio, with splendid views of Varenna and the mountains as the backdrop. In a few minutes we will arrive at our destination. The boat sails now almost in a straight line to Bellagio, the most popular village on Lake Como, very known for its tiny narrow alleys and countless restaurants. It has several villas with a unique grace, surrounded by wonderful parks. The town is also called the Pearl of Lake Como. We can see our destination coming closer and closer. I'm so excited to visit this wonderful village and its promenade decorated with many beautiful plants and flowers. Bellagio is situated in the middle of Lake Como on the place where the lake is divided into two legs. This location makes Bellagio a hub for many boat traffic coming from north to south, from east to west and vice versa. Many tourists find their way to this attractive village and enjoy the beautiful views and the many restaurants. It can be very busy at the boat stops. Luckily, there are trees that provide shade. We are ready to leave the boat and visit this charming village. I can't wait to see all the small alleys with cozy restaurants. If you are interested and want to see more of Bellagio Old Town, then you should definitely subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss our video about our walking tour here. I hope you found this video somehow amusing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy some quick shots before we close this video. I hope to see you in the next one.